family of 7.
We are traveling around the world with our 5 kids.
All under the age of 11.
We are called the 7 Wayfinders. We sold and packed everything and left in order to find our new life.
Deep into the wild. Deep into the wild. Deep into the wild.
Hey, welcome to the 7 Wayfinders. We got to see elephants, which was amazing. We actually got to see elephants 2 times in Chiang Mai because I knew one would not be enough. And on the first one, we had a little extra bonus. What did we do, guys?
Went to the village.
Put your legs down.
Stay at the village. Stay at the village.
Stay at whose village?
Margee.
No, wrong name. That's in Bali.
I always call him Margee.
We got to stay at a Teed's house for 2 nights, 3 days. But first,
With Brian.
the elephants. What did you guys like about the elephants?
Good morning from Chiang Mai. It's really early here. I woke up at 5:15. It's about 5:45. Our family doesn't do early all that well, nor do we do it unless we absolutely have to. But it's gonna be worth it today because we're off to see some elephants. Good morning.
Hi.
But you have to live
Wayfinder too.
Oh, it's a dual pillow wayfinder.
Hey, Paolo Wayfinder and I are in a monogamous relationship.
What does that mean, Lucy?
What's a monogamous relationship?
A dumb relationship.
A dumb relationship.
Dad, your wife is right here. You can kick him out of the
But
house.
I'm just saying, I'm in a monogamous relationship with
With
this
Pillow. Pillow's not cheating.
Pillow
Pillow got left behind.
So what did you guys like about the elephants?
I like the baby.
What was awesome? Oh, the baby.
The baby the mommy almost trampled me.
That's true. The baby got spooked and the mommy did almost trample Grant. He had to run.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning. Time to go.
What else do you guys remember from the elephants?
The waterfall and the giant poop mud pit.
Big, yes.
The mud pit was all poop and pee in it.
What do I say?
What would you expect?
Elephant toilet.
Elephant toilet is
I wish you were joking.
Not joking.
Serious.
Yes, Lincoln only put his feet
We
in
literally saw them pooping and peeing in it.
while in it. Yeah. Lucy was the only one brave enough to really embrace it. But Grant did a pretty good job too. And Lucy wrestled with the guide.
We had a mud fight.
Mud fight. Then we got to wash off in a
Waterfall.
and had the best lunch ever. Remember what we learned at the lunch? What were they called? No, our favorite.
Bang Bangs.
Bang Bangs. We got introduced
I used
to
to
Bang
get those
Bangs.
for 5 cents.
Oh, Bang Bangs. We miss Bang Bangs in Chiang Mai. Do you guys know? Kids ready to cry. You die for one.
See, the world is yours to find and know. With every passing day, there's more calling you out to explore. Get up and go. There is joy found in the race, and I feel it in the place where I'm free. And I simply
Okay, so then we went to the village, which was really awesome, really rustic, really cool experience. What did you guys like at the village? Brian, our friend Brian. They played with Brian so much.
My dog, my kind of dog.
Oh, there were so many stray dogs that we kind of like adopted some. Yes.
To the right, that part
Okay.
Well, let's do it over on the dog.
So the pig just had babies. We found the runt off on the side dying. Kids are making it their project to save it.
It's like greasy. Here, I'll cover his eyes. It's probably like really.
Do you want to tell me that? Here he comes. He's gonna get you. You guys are just sitting there. Come on, Grant, pull your weight. That's definitely not a big fat monkey. Big monkey. I bet they don't even bend you. Tell me what happened.
So we tried to take care of a pig, and sadly,
He didn't make it.
it's a poor little runt. He's so cute.
Buddy. I'm sorry, Granny. I'm sorry. Where are you gonna bury him, Luce?
I have no idea. They're gonna decide up there.
Oh, it's a bummer. Look at that sunrise over there. Morning, morning. Well, our night of sleep was interesting. Brett woke up at like 11 screaming, convinced. There's the rooster. Convinced that bugs were all over him because we saw that spider in our hut. We arrived. We had to turn on all the lights and show him that there was in fact no bug on him. So then I gave them all melatonin because then Lincoln was awake and Lucy was whining, and so we gave them all melatonin and we were pretty asleep when at 6 a.m. there was some kind of announcement throughout the whole village. Like a PA system, I don't know. Plus there's roosters going off and pigs squealing, and I gotta go show you this rooster. He's beautiful. Look at him, he hopped up on that perch right there. And he's like, it is morning. Oh, there's another one. Maybe they're gonna have a rooster showdown.
We went to, there's a little waterfall that he would take us to on his moped. He put four kids and him on a moped.
It was their favorite part of the whole
Yeah,
thing.
and then so we did that, and he drove. He like you could walk; it's just a lot longer. And then he drive us, and then there's this like waterfall, and it's been eroded to like a slide.
Yes,
And
it was
in like
so
many
cool.
spots, and then so it's like a giant pool, like a giant nature pool, and then you have to try and climb up the slippery rock, and then there's a part where you can just slide down.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah.
You guys went there a lot, like 4 times a day. And Lucy and I learned how to weave from Matit's wife.
It's way hard.
It was way hard. We made a scarf. Okay, you get in there too, Atid.